Welcome dear friends. This is Laboratories YouTube channel. In this video we will discuss IELTS Band 7 Plus vocabulary words. These words can help you to achieve higher band scores in your writing as well as speaking module. Today's topic is coronavirus. This is the most common topic these days, and you should know the vocabulary related to coronavirus. Pandemic. The COVID-19 pandemic damaged the economies of all countries. Endemic. Malaria is endemic in hot countries. Contagious. The coronavirus is highly contagious. Restrictions. All countries imposed restrictions quickly to control the pandemic. Vaccination. Vaccination is the most effective way to control a pandemic. Outbreak. The outbreak of Spanish flu took the lives of millions of people all around the world. Self-quarantine. People traveling abroad are asked to self-quarantine for 14 days in the destination country. Cluster. A cluster of infected people in the city created havoc among residents. Travel restrictions. Most countries imposed travel restrictions to stop the spread of the virus. Fatality. The fatality rate from the COVID-19 virus is much less as compared to other virus infections. Variant. New variants of COVID-19 are emerging all around the world. Lockdown. Lockdown can be a solution to control the spread of the virus. Guidelines. The government told local authorities to prepare guidelines so that lockdown restrictions can be reduced. Curbs. Initially, more stringent curbs were imposed to contain the spread of the virus. Antibodies. Vaccination creates antibodies in the human to fight with the novel coronavirus. Containment. To control the spread of virus, containment zones were made to stop the movement of people. Community spread. The WHO confirmed that community spread of this virus can be dangerous. Herd immunity. Many scientists believe that herd immunity is the only solution to this virus. Inoculation. The spread of coronavirus can be prevented by inoculation. Incubation. Hepatitis has a long incubation period. Isolation. Infected people are told to remain in isolation. Mortality. The mortality rate from COVID-19 is quite low. Morbidity. Morbidity for vaccinated people against COVID-19 is clearly reduced. Social distancing. Authorities are asking people to maintain social distancing at public places. Asymptomatic. There were many people who were infected with coronavirus, but they were asymptomatic. So these were the words related to coronavirus. If you like our work, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.